Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.3 question number 1. Write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? Okay, we'll write the fractions. We'll write the different fractions, right? Let us write the fraction. Here you see there are two parts, right? And one part is shaded. Therefore, the fraction will be one part is shaded 1. And how many total parts? 1 plus 1, 2. This is 1 by 2, right? And this is, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the denominator will be 4. I mean, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2. It is 2 by 4. Here also you see how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 parts. Out of 6 parts, 3 parts is shaded. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded, right? Here also you see how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, there are 8 parts. Out of 8 parts, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 by 8. This is the different fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? Now if you change it to lowest term or simple lowest term, what you are getting? That is 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. That is, it is also half, 1 by 2. You change it into more lowest term, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. It is also 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. And if we change it into lowest term, 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. This is also 1 by 2. Right? Therefore, you see all the fractions are 1 by 2. Therefore, you can say that all these fractions equivalent? Yes, all these fractions are equivalent. The answer is yes. This in question number A, yes, all these fractions are equivalent. In question number A, yes, all these fractions, all these fractions are equivalent, right? Now question number B. You have to represent the various fractions. You may see first how many balls are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls are shaded. And how many balls are there? Total balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. That is 4 by 12. And here you see 1, 2, 3. 3 balls are shaded. Therefore, it will be 3 by, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 3 by 9. Here you see how many balls are shaded? 1, 2, right? 2 balls are shaded. The weight is 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 by 6. 2 by 6. It is how many balls are shaded? 1 ball is shaded. And how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. Right. Here you see how many balls are shaded. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls are shaded. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 by 15 or 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right. Now we will try to reduce this fraction into lowest term. Right. That is, if I change it, that is 4 1 is 4 and 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. that is it comes to 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3. The first one is 1 by 3. The second one is 3 by 9. Right? 3, if we cut it, that is 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9. Then it also comes to 1 by 3. Next one is 2 by 6, that is 2 1 is 2 and 2 3 is 6. It also comes to 1 by 3. That is 1 1 by 3. This itself is 1 by 3 and 6 by 15. Right? 6 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 by 15. If we cut by 3, 3 2 is 6 and 3 5 is 15. This is 2 by 5. Here you see, this is 1 by 3, 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 but this is not 1 by 3. This is 2 by 5. Right? 2 by 5. Therefore, are all these fractions equivalent? Therefore, question number B, all the fractions are not equivalent. Right? Are all these fractions equivalent in question number B? No. The answer is no. All these fractions are not equivalent. Right? For question number B, all these fractions are not equivalent. Right? This is the solution of question number 7.3, question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.